Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be directing you on how to create an SSH configuration file for NPV Tunnel VPN application. So as our culture on this YouTube channel, you first subscribe to this YouTube channel and then like the video. I start up the tutorial officially. We're going to start by opening the Google Play Store, and then we search the application code NPV Tunnel VPN. This VPN application uses both the V2 and SS servers. I'm going to open it. If you open the VPN application, it will be looking like this. So we are going to start setting up our VPN application from scratch, and we shall be able to create the SSH configuration file. So I'm going to go back to my home screen, and I look for the Google Chrome. Here at the Google Chrome, I'm going to go here where we search from, and I type in first SSH. I will open up the first page and then wait for a few moments. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this with your friend, don't forget to like. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to be looking. Let me first complete this AD because they are requesting me to view this AD. Let me first watch the AD, like 5 seconds. Then I'm going to go up right here. We have the SSH, we have the SSH-WS. I'm going to choose that one, SSWS. I'm going to be having 3 servers, but I'm going to choose any server that is near to my location. I have SSWS United Kingdom and I have SSHWS USA, but I'm going to choose the first one. I'm going to try to zoom in like this. I'm going to go right here to complete the capture. But as I complete the capture, I'm going to be putting in my username. Tech56, and then the password 1 2 3 4 5. I will then scroll down up to when I reach this part where I have create an account. I then scroll up and wait for a few seconds. Congratulations, our account has been successfully created. I'm going now to go back to the NPV Tunnel application. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this with your friend, don't forget to comment if you get any problem. Now I'm going to go right here down where I have the configs. I'm going to go right here where I have add configuration, and I'm going to go here where I have add configuration manuals. I will choose the SSH config, and then I'm going to go right here where you have SS direct, and I'm going to choose this one, the SSH TLS payload. And now I will put in the remarks SSH miles tech config. Now for the SSH host, I'm going to go back to Google Chrome, and then I will copy the host IP address. And then I'll be going back to the NPV application. Sorry for the advert. Then I paste it. For the SS port, I'll put 443. And then I'm going to go back and I copy the username. Then I'm going to go back and I put in that username. I'm going to go for the password, which is 12345. For the SNI host, for this SNI host, we are going all to go in the comment section and comment our country. If you go in the comment section, I'm going to give you the SNI host for your country, but just go to the comment section, type in if you are from Zimbabwe, type in Zimbabwe like Econet. If you are from Uganda, you can type in Uganda Airtel. If you are from South Africa, you just type in the country and the mobile network. All countries, Pakistan, Kenya, Tanzania, Iran, all countries available. But at this moment, I'm going to go and put in this host. For example, I'm going to put in, for the SNI host, I'm going to be putting in 104, but the comment section is open for me to give you the host. Go to the comment section and comment your network and also comment your country. I'll be sending you the SNI host as a reply. But for the payload, you're going to go right here at this gray thing and go back to Google Chrome. You're going to be copying this one. You're going to select all and we copy. Then you're going to go back to the application, the NPV Tunnel, and then we paste. After pasting, we are going to go and copy this SNI host, which I've given you in the comment section. But if you want the SNI host, comment your country and the network. All countries around the group, I have the SNI host, I have the list. Just go to the comment section and give me your country's name and your network. I'll be available 24/7 and my team of moderators are there in the comment section helping me out. So even if there are 100 comments, even if there are 200, we are available. We are many to help all of you. So you're going to go here where I have that word host and we highlight it and then we paste. And then after, I'm going to go right here where I have the save, and then I'll be saving. And then I'm going to come and I tap on it, and then I'll be able to go back to the home, and then I'll type connect, and I'll allow a VPN service, and the VPN application will wait for a few moments for the VPN application to connect. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. If it fails, put on the airplane mode on and then off. It has connected successfully. As you see, I'm watching an advert. Let us first wait to confirm that it has connected. It works in all countries. Don't forget to give me a subscription. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. Don't forget to like. It has connected successfully. Thank you guys for following. I'm my mistake, and I do sign out.